Hi folks, welcome back to Kit and Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little crochet flowers. I used to make these all the time when my daughter was little, and I would put them on hair clips. They're like a perfect size for little girl hair clips. And I would also like give them as part of baby shower presents and stuff. So they're fun and they're pretty quick. So today I've got Lily Sugar and Cream cotton yarn. This colorway is strawberry, and a size H crochet hook. You could use whatever yarn and hook you want, as long as they're the right size for each other. Okay, so I've got a slip stitch. You could start your circle however you want. I'm going to do a chain and join. So I'm going to chain, I think I chained 4 on this. Usually I chain 3, but I'm going to chain 4 and join my circle together. Maybe. Now I'm going to chain 1 just for height, and now I'm going to do 10 single crochet through that loop that I made. This is a super simple pattern. There's only 2 rounds, so I'll do 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll go back and join to my first stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just making sure I had 10. Okay. I'm going to chain 2, which counts as my first half double crochet. And then in that first stitch I'm going to do a double crochet and another half double crochet. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. I'm going to work only in the back loops. You could work through both, but I like having that little ridge on the front, so I'm going to work just through the back loops. There's a double and a half double, then I'll slip stitch in the next one, again just through the back loop. Then in the next stitch I'm going to do a half double, a double, and another half double. Then I'll slip stitch in the next one. I'm going to do this all the way around. Half double, double, half double, then slip stitch. When I finish this off, I don't like to yarn over and pull through for it to have a knot on the top, so I'll just pull through, and then when I weave it in, I don't have my yarn needle here. Okay, so I'll go through this stitch when I weave it in so that it pulls down without making a big knot, and then I'll weave it in on the back and tie it off. So that is our little cute flower. It's got 5 petals. You can see this is that ridge from going through the back loops only that comes around here. So if you only go through one loop, you won't have that ridge, but it'll still look awesome. Alright, that's it for today. Happy crocheting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates.